Measure the diameter of the ground sleeve itself to make sure that we have the right diameter for our pull. So you're just going to want to take your tape measure and go from the center to the other edge of the center. And this sleeve inside measures 3.5 inches. Let's just shoot a close-up of this.
We are measuring the depth of the ground sleeves and the inside diameter of the sleeve to refit existing sleeves to a blazer system.
What we're going to do is first take the cap off. Make sure the ground sleeve is clear of any debris in the bottom. If you got to vacuum it out or scrape it out. And find the highest point in the bottom if there's any defects in the bottom of the sleeve. So what you do is you take 2 yardsticks, put the one across so you're level across the top of the floor, because you want the measurement from the very top of the floor to the bottom of the ground sleeve. So then you just take your one straight edge and one ruler, and this one measures 13 inches deep. A normal blazer system is 12 inches. So we have to add an inch to the bottom of this to become 12 inches, which is a standard blazer system. So for this, you'll probably need 2 people, and this is measuring the length of the ground sleeves between each other for the net. So you want to measure right from the center of your ground sleeve. So this one measures center to center, center of ground sleeve to center of ground sleeve, 36.1 inch. Okay, when setting up the net, you have to make sure that these straps are perfectly straight across, not up and not down. That'll raise the net and lower the net by at least 1/2 inch. So these are perfectly straight across now and pretty snug. This bottom doesn't need to be level, but it needs to be about 1 inch or 2 down from the net. But if you go too far, like right now, this is junior height. We're right at 7 foot. Now if we take and try to move these down too far, like that, that just moved the net down 1/2 inch, so you can't make the height. So it's a real, you really got to get this pulled up to maybe 1 inch or 2 below the bottom of the net line on the bottom, and these perfectly tight. Otherwise, you definitely change the variance of the height of the net in the middle.